Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to try to get the YZ running. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Well, if I'm gonna get this thing running, I've got to get the carb put on, and before I put it on, I'm gonna just open it up and check it real quick. I don't think it's probably not too dirty. That don't look too good. But yeah, it's probably not too dirty, but I'm just gonna open it up. It's been opened at some point because somebody put some flathead screws in it. I'll probably go ahead and change those back to some Phillips. But yeah, let's open it up, check everything out, and get it bolted on. Well, I was wrong. This thing is, it's not like caked up, but it's definitely not clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these things out, and all these jets and stuff, and pull them out and get all this stuff cleaned up before I try to install this bad boy. All right, so even worse than just this thing just being kind of dirty, it looks like, if I can get that to focus in there, it looks like a little bit of damage on that little tip right there. It's like right there. See how it's kind of oblong right there? I don't know that it'll hurt anything. The little valve, or the jet, can't get this thing to focus. It's got a little, it's a little wonky too. So not really sure how that's going to affect anything. I think I'm just going to clean it up, slap it together, see if we can get it to run. Even if it doesn't run great, I can always take it back apart and throw a jet kit in it or something. So yeah, now I just gotta clean all this junk up. Man, it stinks too. This old gas smells terrible. So that's that slide. It's pretty worn. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I may just run with it, see what happens. Alright guys, so now I got the carburetor put in. I got, that leaks gas. That's not cool. Alright, so that's gonna have to be fixed. But I got the CDI put back in up there. Choke is on. I've got a brand new spark plug, and I'm about to just see if this thing will fire up. I went ahead and put my new air filter in, bolted the air box down. I said carb's bolted down. I did go ahead and put the silencer on just so it's not ridiculously loud. Not sure what's going on with this joint here. I don't know, it's like it just doesn't fit, but whatever. Got the choke, or the clutch cable, and the throttle cable. Yeah, so clutch and throttle are hooked up. So yeah, let's see if we can fire this thing up. I just want to hear it run before I get too deep in it and then have to pull everything back apart. So let's see. All right, guys. I've still got a colossal mess to clean up. And I got some junk out there I need to get in the shop, so I'm gonna call it quits for the day. I did get one fork finished. That fork's got fresh seals in it. It took a lot longer than I anticipated, mainly because like all this blue paint, I went ahead and put some paint stripper on that stuff and got that one cleaned up and done. So I want to do the other one too. Like I said, it was taking a little bit longer, but we got dry forks. They don't leak. They feel a lot better. I think all the oil had leaked out of the forks with the other seals in, so definitely an improvement and starting to look like a dirt bike. So I think in the next video, I'm really hoping that maybe we can take it for a test ride. I don't know, but I will go ahead and change the tire. I've got a decent tire that a buddy of mine gave me. It's a race takeoff, but it doesn't have dry rot, so it's practically brand new. It's got like one race on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the other fork done this week and get that tire done. And yeah, next time you guys see it, it will look like a dirt bike, and hopefully we will take it for a test ride. So thanks for watching.